Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Gadda. Today I will talk about factorization. This is of class 8th. This is a new chapter of class 8th. About factorization we will discuss in class 6 and class 7th. In class 6 we have already discussed factor of natural number. Like we take one example. If we take number 6, then the prime factor of 6 equals to 2 and 3. Here we write 6 equals to 2 and 3. And next we take one more example for clarify this means factorization. We take other example is 30. 30 equals to we factor here 30 divided by 2 we get 15, and next 15 divided by 3 we get 5, and 5 divided by 5 we get 1. This is a prime factorization of 30. Means 30 equals to 2 into 3 into 5. But 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 are the factor of 30 of those 2, 3 and 5 are the prime factor of 30. These are the factor of all factor of 30, but 2, 3 and 5 are the prime factor of 30. Why? It's a reason. A number written in the product of prime factor. This is a number written in the product of prime factor are called prime form or prime factor form. So this is a prime factor form of 30. If we take one more example, if we write 70, then the prime factor form of 70, we can write the 2 into 5 into 7. 2 into 5 into 7. This is a prime factor form of 70. Similarly, we can express algebraic expression as product of their factor. We have already discussed in class 7th algebraic expression. Algebraic expression are formed using terms and some algebraic expression or some algebraic operations plus minus and multiplication and division. So that here will be terms are formed as product of factor. Expression are formed addition or subtraction of terms, and terms are formed as a product of factor. For example, in the algebraic expression, we take 5xy plus 3x. Here will be two terms. First term is 5xy. This is the first term. And second term is 3x. This is the second term. But one term is formed as product of factor. We take one term means first term 5xy. 5xy. This is a form of means 5xy has been formed by the factor of 5x and y, means product of factor. 5xy is a factor of 5 and x and y. Observe that the factor 5xy of 5xy cannot further be expressed as the product of factors. We may say that 5 and x and y are prime factor of 5xy. Similarly, if we take second terms means 3x Then 3x equals to 3 factor of 3 and x means 3 into x. We use the word irreducible. Irreducible means in place of prime factorization, इसकी प्लेस पे हम कोई भी अदर नंबर्स रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. Let the example second. Here we take first example. We'll take second example. Here is 3x and x plus 2. Do the factorization of 3x and x plus 2. It can be written as the product of factor means 3 into x plus 2. No doubt this is a prime factor of 3x x plus 2. Similarly, if we take one more example, example number third is 10x x plus 2 and y plus 3. Then we see that 10 we can write 2 into 5 into x and next factor x plus 2 and next factor y plus 3. This is a factor form of 10x x plus 2 and y plus 3. What is factorization? When we factor an algebraic expression, we write it as the product of factor. This factor may be number, may be algebraic variables or algebraic expression. ये फैक्टर किसी भी फॉर्म में हो सकते हैं, मीन्स नंबर भी हो सकते हैं, एल्जेब्रिक वेरिएबल हो सकते हैं, एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन हो सकते हैं. एक्सप्रेशन लाइक 3xy 5x square y. Here we like 5x or like x plus 2. These are method of common factorization. Now we discuss the next topic, method of common factorization or common factor. Method of common factor. Here we start with we take a simple example like 3x plus 6. We take simple example 3x plus 6. Common factor means this is a common of both terms. Here be first term and second term is 6. This is second term. Factor of first term means 3x equals to 3 into x. And similarly 6, factor of 6 equals to 2 into 3. Then 3x plus 6 equals to 3 into x plus 3 into 2. Here be common is 3. If be common 3, then we get in bracket x plus 2. Then we say that 3x plus 6, factor of 3x plus 6 equals to 3 in bracket x plus 2. Clear? Next expression, factorize equation means our example, factorize 5xy plus 10x. Here is the solution of this question. Here will be two terms. First term is 5xy and second term is 10x. We have separate factorization of these terms. First term is 5xy. Factor of 5xy equals to 5 into x into y respect. And second term is 10x. 10 we can write 2 into 5 and here be x. Observe that two terms have 5 and x as common factor of both terms. 5 and x. Here will be 5 and x, and same. In second terms, 5 and x both are common. So we can write 5xy plus 10x equals to 5 into x into y equals plus 2 into 5 into x. Here we common 5 and x. The left part, our left terms, our left factor is y and plus 2. Then the factor of 5xy plus 10x equals to 5x and y plus 2. Clear? Next example is, we take one more example, example number 3rd. Example number 3rd is 10x square. Factor is 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x to the power 4. Here will be 3 terms. First term, this is second term, and this is third terms. We factor separately first, second and third terms. First term is 10x square and second is 18x cube and third is 14x to the power 4. If we factor first term 10x square means 2 into 5 into x into x, and second terms 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x. Similarly, factor of 14x to the power 4 equals 2 into 7 into x into x into x and x. We observe that the 3 terms have common as 2 in first term, second terms and third terms, and next x, here will be x, x, here will be x, and this x. Means common factor of 10x square, 18x cube and 14x to the power 4 equals to 2x square. Left of the first term 2x square we can write, then in bracket left 5 and next minus 3 is 9 into x means 9x plus 7 into x 7x square. Here we write 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x to the power 4 means the factor of 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x to the power 4 equals to 2x square in bracket 5 minus 9x plus 7x square. We can write this is descending order means 7x square minus 9x plus 5. This is a factor of 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x to the power 4.